Hello everyone, welcome back in this Facebook episode. Are you admin or creator of your Facebook group and you want to throw away someone from your Facebook group like other group admin, moderator, editor or any other member? So in this episode I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. Login in your Facebook account. Click on this drop down arrow. Select your groups, then groups. Open your group, hit on members. Now select other moderator or admin and click on this icon and click on remove as moderator or admin and click on remove as moderator.